Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. So if you're looking to review Temu products and earn an income for doing that, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to review Temu products and actually get paid for doing so. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay, so I know you're all curious on knowing whether you can actually start reviewing products with Temu and getting paid for doing so. Okay, but the very first question you should be asking yourself is, does Temu have a product testing program? Well, the answer to this is actually no, because Temu does not feature any product testing program, unlike competitors like Shein, Amazon. Okay, so if you're looking to test product officially for Temu and get paid for doing so, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but you wouldn't be able to do so because Temu does not have any product testing program. But you should not just focus yourself on the fact that you can't review products with Temu. Yes, for sure you can review products with Temu, but you can still review products, or you can still get an income for using Temu products. Okay, so the best way to, or the best alternative to Temu product testing program is the Temu affiliate program. Okay, so what is this affiliate program all about? Okay, it enables you to generate income by directing potential customers to Temu via unique links and promotional materials. Okay, so here you have to create your own unique links for Temu products and give a review or write something encouraging to your audience to get direct sales from these links. Okay, of course you need an audience and a social account for this. Okay, so this product testing program, or this Temu affiliate program, is actually the best alternative to Temu product tester program. Okay, so recently it merged with the influencer program, which lets every influencer to generate income by promoting Temu links, of course. So if you are a Temu product tester, or if you are an influencer that is looking to get an income for reviewing Temu products, then this affiliate and influencer program is actually the best fit for you. So what are actually the requirements? Okay, so to become a Temu product tester, or indirectly a Temu product tester through the Temu affiliate and influencer program, you need median views of 20 content pieces on social media and should not be less than 100 in the last 100 days, and this depends on the platform. Okay, so you need at least 100 views for YouTube videos, at least 300 views for Instagram, at least 500 views for TikTok. Okay, so depending on the platform you're using, the requirements are going to vary. Okay, depending on the social media account, the requirement for each view count will be varying. Okay, and you must have published content which includes posts, videos, reels in the last 90 days. You also need to be residing in an eligible country as well. Okay, so these are just the requirements for becoming a Temu affiliate and influencer and start reviewing products with Temu to get paid. Okay, even though it isn't a direct product testing program, it is actually a close alternative to this product testing program. Alright, so how do you sign up for this program? You can sign up for this program by simply searching for Temu influencer on Google search, or you can also click on the link I'm going to provide in the video description to get directly to this page. Okay, so from this page you want to click on get started. Note that you can also do the same on your mobile device, but you have to search for influencer program. I provided a complete guide on how to do this on your mobile device, so you should make sure you check that guide out. Okay, so you can actually click on this get started or just join now. Okay, so let me tap on this get started here to get started with this program, and then here you need to enter your email address. Okay, you can enter your email address, can be anything. Make sure it's a working email address. Alright, so just enter your email address and then click on this continue. Okay, so now you need to enter a password. Alright, you can enter anything that you know will be very secure for your account. Okay, so if you already have a Temu account, you can just sign it with you will be automatically signed up for this account. Okay, but if you don't have a Temu account yet, you will need to register through this page. Okay, so once you click on this, you just click on this register, and then you'll be taken to your Temu dashboard. Of course, your influencer dashboard should look like something like this, and if you have authorization to it, you should be able to see a couple of things that you can do from here. Okay, so from there you can click on the affiliation on the influencer requirements, and also you have to authorize to unlock, which is going to let you link your social account to your Temu dashboard. Okay, so make sure you link a social account that has both engagement and a very good audience to get qualified for this. Alright, so as I said, I provided a complete guide to this one in the video description, so make sure you check that one out. So how much can you actually make in this Temu influencer and affiliate program? Okay, so according to Temu, you can earn up to $500 in influencer cash and up to $1,000 in seeding balance during the calculation period. Okay, and this one is just for the influencer part, and as for the affiliate part, you can make up to $100,000 in affiliate bonuses, which includes commission, downloads, bonuses, and a lot more. Okay guys, this is actually a crazy offer. So you want to dive into this and start making an income with Temu products. So guys, we've actually seen that Temu does not have a product testing program officially. Okay, and a very close alternative to this product testing program is the Temu affiliate and influencer program. Okay, so this affiliate and influencer program actually lets you make a really considerable income for promoting links to Temu product. Okay, so this is an indirect way to monetize through Temu products, even though you wouldn't be officially reviewing them and gaining them. Okay, so for sure you won't be getting free Temu products, but you can also get promoted for Temu cash and give away through the Temu influencer and affiliate program. Alright, so if you participate in the right way, you will be able to make not just income but also get free products. Alright, so guys, that's how you get to review products with Temu directly and get paid for doing so. So if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell down below to never miss any upcoming updates from us. Okay, so guys, I'll catch you in the next episode.